This is AIX, your daily dose of AI news.
1,500 hours. That's how long this robot has been working on BMW's production line without a single day off. No weekends, no sick days. No, I'm not feeling it today. 10 hours a day, every single day, for 5 straight months. And what you're watching right now, this isn't a test. This is actual production. Real cars, real work. The average American works about 2,000 hours per year. This robot did 1,500 in 5 months. While you were sleeping, it was working. While you were at brunch on Sunday, it was working. That Monday morning where you hit snooze 5 times, it was already on hour 3 of its shift. This is BMW's body shop, one of the most brutal environments in manufacturing. Heavy sheet metal, toxic adhesives, repetitive motions that destroy human joints and backs. And Figure, that's its name, has been doing it for 5 months straight. No complaints, no injuries, just work. Here's what makes this insane. This is the first time in human history a humanoid robot has done this. BMW and Figure are making history right now, and most people have no idea it's happening. Not Tesla, not Toyota. BMW, with a robot you've probably never heard of. See those orange robotic arms in the background? Old school, bolted to the floor. One job, one spot, forever. But Figure? It walks. It has hands. It moves through a workspace designed for humans because it's shaped like a human. Every factory on Earth was built for human workers. Figure fits right into all of it. No billion-dollar redesign required. 5 months of real-world data just proved that humanoid robots aren't coming soon. They're here, and they work. If a humanoid robot can handle BMW's body shop for 1,500 hours straight, where can't it work? Your warehouse? Your construction site? Your industry? 1,500 hours, 0 days off. One robot. The future just changed while you weren't looking. And if you want to catch the next one before everyone else does, subscribe to AIX. We'll see you in the next one.